Dusshera, and today we will be making Bathukammas. Yay! What is this Bathukamma, Ninya? Well, Bathukamma is a beautiful stack of flowers arranged like a cone. Bathukamma is a Telugu festival in South India. What do we need? Ice cream, donuts, tomatoes, chili, olives? No, Sahana. You need a round plate, flowers, and leaves. You can choose any type of flowers in your garden. We have marigold, chrysanthemum, and daisies. Yeah. Let's start making it. Arrange the Bathukamma layer by layer to form a cone shape. We are going to fill the hollow part on the center with leaves. Now let's start filling the plate with leaves. Let's start arranging the flowers. Now fill up the middle of the Bathukamma with leaves. Almost done. Now it's time for the marigold. You're Mary. Oh. There's some big ones and small ones. Smells so good. Do you know what I love about Bathukammas? It's that they're always so colorful. And they have beautiful flowers in them. And they smell great. Now we're just going to put a little bit more of leaves. Then we're just going to add more daisies. And then we're going to top this last marigold on the top. And I will do that. Now my sister is going to put the last beautiful flower on the top. Now the big one can top it off. It smells so good, guys. Looks like a cake. Right, Ananya? Yep. Take a birthday. This is our Bathukamma. Our first Bathukamma we made, and I thought we couldn't do this, but now we did. This is our best Bathukamma we ever made. We have a special guest today who is behind the camera all the time we do videos, and it is our mom. And she has a beautiful dress. She is the best mom ever. guys had fun making Bathukamma with us. Hope you liked this video as well. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.